How to install manpages for C standard library functions in Ubuntu. In my university, I can do such things as man strlen, man strcpy, man miget, man msgctl, and a nice manual page appears. On my PC I get. Any help on how to get those documentation pages into my computer?
Install the manpages dev and manpages POSIX dev, thanks Christoph, packages. You should be able to find them in Synaptic, or type at the command line.
For Fedora, you can install it using yum.
You may find glibc package useful as well. From this URL contains the new C library reference manual in info and HTML format, as well as the manpages for libthread functions and the complete new C library changelog.
On a Ubuntu system, they are in the packages.
Ubuntu plus others, you can also do a search in aptitude. I.E. Where I mean the package is installed and P means purged / not installed. And then I.E. Other systems has similar functions.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.